In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change navigation modes in Miro. If you've ever felt that panning and zooming in Miro doesn't quite match how your hand naturally moves on a mouse or a trackpad, this is for you. Miro lets you choose a navigation mode that matches your device so your scrolling, panning, and zooming feel intuitive. I'll walk you through the exact path to get there and share a few quick tips so you can decide which option fits you best. First, head to Miro.com. You'll land on your dashboard where all your boards live. From here, we'll open a fresh space to test the settings. Click Create New. This opens the creation menu with different items you can start from. Choose Board. A new blank board will open so you can try the navigation modes immediately without affecting any existing work. Inside the board, look for the three dots menu, often labeled More Options. It's available within the board interface and gives you access to settings that affect how the board behaves. Click the three dots, then select Preferences. This is where Miro keeps your personal interaction settings. In Preferences, open the mouse or trackpad section. This is the control center for how Miro responds to your input device. You'll see three choices: Auto Detect, Mouse, and Trackpad. Auto Detect is a great default. Miro will try to sense whether you're on a mouse or a trackpad and switch behavior accordingly. If you use a laptop on the go and plug in a mouse at your desk, this option is convenient because you won't need to change anything manually. Choose Mouse if you primarily use a mouse and want consistent, precise control. In this mode, zooming typically happens with the scroll wheel, and panning is smooth when you use the right mouse button or hold the space bar. It's ideal for detailed diagramming and when you need steady zoom increments. Choose Trackpad if you rely on gestures. Pinch to zoom, two-finger drag to pan, and smooth inertial scrolling will feel natural here. If Auto Detect ever feels off, maybe the sensitivity isn't quite right, switching to trackpad locks in those gesture-first behaviors. After you make your selection, give it a quick test on the canvas, zoom in and out, pan across the board, and see how it feels. You can come back to Preferences anytime and switch modes as your setup changes. That's it. You've opened a new board, gone into Preferences, and set your navigation mode to Auto Detect, Mouse, or Trackpad. Pick the one that matches your workflow, and you'll find moving around your boards becomes much more effortless. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother Miro experience.